Welcome to the Graceful Grammar Higher Secondary School Digital Class Level 8 Cambridge Global English Day 1. Student Learning Outcome. After taking this class, students will be able to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of e-communication. They will also learn about School of the Year, learn about email and mobile phone etiquette. Dear students, open your book, unit number 2, e-communication. Dear students, as you can see the picture on screen, do you like technology? Technology like smartphone, laptop, electronic gadgets. Do you like it? Dear students, can you see the picture? There are many objects on this picture. Do you have these objects? What the name is in English of these objects? Absolutely right, gadgets. These are all electronic gadgets. And do you know what is the definition of gadgets? A gadget is a small mechanical or electronic device or tool, especially an ingenious or novel one. Examples of electronic gadgets include e-book readers, smartwatches, digital fitness trackers, video game machine, etc. Dear students, do you know what is the meaning of e-communication? E-communication means electronic communication, and types of electronic communication are email, cell phone, blog, Skype, teleconferencing, chat rooms, social network, podcast, situation quiz, etc. Dear students, let's have a quick look on e-communication definition. What is e-communication? E-communication is the electronic transmission of information that has been encoded digitally. E-communication can involve written and spoken language, email, text message, mobile phone call, Twitter, Facebook, blog, Skype, e-books, multiplayer, online games, electronic surveys, faxing, YouTube, wikis, websites, voicemails. The list is very huge and long. So this is all e-communication. Dear students, let's shortly discuss about the types of e-communication. First one is email. Messages distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more receptionists via network. Second one is smartphone, a mobile phone that performs many of the functions of a computer, typically having touch screen, internet access, etc. And I think everybody knows what is smartphone nowadays. Next one is blog, a website containing a writer or group of writers on experiences, observations or opinions, etc. Next one is social networking. Social networking is the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers or clients. Dear students, let's have a quick look on the meaning of these vocabulary words. Communication, an act of transferring information from one place or person or group to another. Every communication involves at least one sender or message or receptionist. Gadgets, a small mechanical or electronic device, especially an ingenious or novel. Website, a set of related web pages located under a single domain name. Skype, have a spoken conversation with someone over the internet using the software application Skype. Multimedia, using more than one medium of expression or communication. Smartphone. A mobile phone that performs many of the functions of a computer, typically having a touch screen and internet access. Internet, a global system of interconnected computer networks. Device, a thing made for a particular purpose, especially a piece of mechanical or electronic equipment. Technology, the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. Dear students, let's move towards home tasks. You have to discuss advantages and disadvantages of e-communication and electronic gadgets. And you have to also learn about dictation of these tough words: communication, gadgets, websites, Skype, multimedia, smartphone, internet, devices, technology, e-communicator. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this is useful and helpful in your homework.